来解决大气层的问题。
This is the voice of truth, broadcasting throughout the verse in a burst transmission. We know you can hear us and you cannot stop the signal. Rumours are spreading out of the new Casimir system about a file containing the original copy of the now infamous Burton wave. The unedited intercept of the conversation between Burton and the area hospital treating the senator's daughter has been denounced by sceptics. Whether this is the accurate version or even provable, the recent unearthed copy suggests that Burton was in fact trying to return the lost organs. The fact remains that we do not know the truth or what purpose is gained by this false copy, and what exactly were the doctor's crimes. High Society was shocked this morning as media sources on Boros broadcast damning evidence of a link between two vicious criminal organisations. The Nishka Syndicate and the blue chip company New Horizon have apparently been working together. The media worked in cooperation with the local security services and broadcast the arrest of several members of the New Horizon board, including the security director, Ms. Zhang Rockefeller, on charges of criminal conspiracy. Ms. Rockefeller denied the charges, but the evidence, acquired from sources within the criminal organisation, is damning. The remaining New Horizon directors have issued a statement saying that they have a zero tolerance for fraternising with the criminal underclass and will be re-evaluating their contracts with those under suspicion. So in summary, evidence has come to light that sheds doubt on the evil of William Burton, and criminal charges are lodged against the members of the New Horizon board for criminal conspiracy. We're running out of power now, but the voice of truth will be back, bringing you the news that they don't want you to hear.